Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. Today is our first port of call on the Carnival Pride, and today we are visiting our first Greek island, Mykonos, Greece. Good morning. Well, we're pulling into Mykonos, Greece, and the sun is barely coming up in the horizon. Can't wait to see what today's going to bring.
Look at that flag right up there. Andrea.
Mykonos, Greece.
Mykonos.
It's a nice name to say, isn't it?
It really is a nice name. Mykonos.
And it's a beautiful day. So nice out today.
Carnival Pride. It's beautiful. We're going to get a little shuttle from over there. That's where we are. To over here and here, Old Port. That's where we're getting our shuttle from. $2 for the shuttle one way, and there it is there. It's called the Sea Bus. All right, I reserved 2 seats, but we'll see how that works.
All right, welcome. We just arrived by the Sea Bus from our port, which is the new port, and now we're in the old port. So this is more their city center. I'm gonna walk around, see some of these buildings, shops, as well as restaurants, and maybe make it over to a beach a little bit later. So looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day. Thanks for coming along. All right, this looks like a little church. Let's go take a look and see what's inside.
Yeah, our first blue dome.
We got our postcards, we got our stamps. Gonna send these off, put them in the postcard mailbox right over here.
There you go. All right.
Arriving in the old port was some really great shops and restaurants, and although we weren't ready to have anything to eat, we did explore a lot of the little small alleyways, and it was so cute to see at every turn something a little bit different. In fact, we came around this one corner, and right there in front of us was this church. But some of the streets are so narrow that these cars go through, and it's amazing how they actually even fit. We kind of had an idea of what we wanted to do today, but we really were just having fun exploring the area. And we came up this one alleyway, and lo and behold, this is exactly what we were looking for. These windmills are an iconic feature of the Greek island of Mykonos. Around the 12th and 13th century, Greeks began to harness the wind to power their mills. Rather than using a hard labor to grind things like grain into flour, they built a mill to run on strong winds. There are 16 windmills on Mykonos, with 7 of them being on the hill of Chora. Most of them were built in the 16th century and used into the early 20th century, but they are no longer operational. The windmills of Mykonos are a major tourist attraction, and their location offers some spectacular views of the water and of an area called Little Venice. We spent some time in this area taking some pictures, and then we headed along on our journey. All right, we just finished looking at the windmills. We are in Mykonos. We're gonna head over to the beach, which is over in maybe that direction. Come on, let's go.
This is the path we'll take to get to the beach, I'm assuming. Yeah, the path will take us all the way over to the beach. Beach is over there.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's a nice picture right there.
Yes.
Andrea wants to go down here to this private beach. There's somebody over there cooking.
I know.
cooking on the grill there. That's where we just came from. Look how beautiful the water is. Oh, there's someone swimming in there. Woo! Someone wearing a nice little bathing suit there.
Along the walk, there was a period of time where you had to walk on the street. The roads were a bit narrow and you did have to watch for cars, but there weren't that many, and it was just a spectacular view to take in.
Everywhere we go, she always goes in the water. I remember the one time we were in the Colorado River and it was freezing. She was like one of maybe 2 people out of 60 that went in the water. Yeah, you won't catch me in there. I'm good at the video. I'll just video them. And this young man behind Andrea, he's catching sea urchins in the water. He already ate one, he said. If Mitch was here, Mitch would be getting them out of the water and eating them as well. There's our ship, the Pride. It's right there. Beautiful island. It really is a beautiful island. And there she goes. It is a little chilly.
After taking a dip in the Aegean Sea, I got out to get the camera and I took it back in underwater. I wanted to see if I could capture the little fish nibbling on my toes. They were so cute and a little bit camera shy, but I think I got a few of them.
Have you tried?
Hey Mitch, look what Andrea's got.
Fresh from the sea.
Fresh from the sea. Alright, give me a bite. I got it.
It's not bad.
I got it. Let me
You
see
want
it.
to take it? Get the orange.
Ow! That water's cold. I just want to get the bottom of this thing so you can see. Look at that. Alright, you take it out for me.
Did I get it all? There?
Tastes like a clam. Alright, you can have the rest. So I went in the water. I can't say I didn't. Flip it around. It's sharp. Our very first sea urchin. It was yummy. The sand is like little rocks. Well, we're leaving the beach. Like I said, the beach sand's a little coarse, but I'll tell you the good thing about it is when you get up and you leave the beach, it just comes off. There's no soft sand sticking to you.
After leaving the beach, we headed back towards the port area looking for a place to eat. We were going to stop at this cute little place in Little Venice, but the menu looked a little more extensive than we really wanted, so we just kept on exploring the winding little walkways in search of something else.
Ordered a local Greek beer. It's 5% alcohol. It was $5. And Andrea ordered ouzo.
Uso.
Oh boy. Got mint here.
table.
We just pulled the
Smells.
mint off the thing. And then we put it in our
Smells
olive
so
oil.
beautiful.
And we put a little salt and pepper in there. Throw some salt and pepper in there for me, hon. Just the scent of the mint. A little salt and pepper. And then we just take this and mix the flavor around.
All the olives.
She ate all the olives. Oh my god. Delicious. Delicious.
Absolutely.
Thanks for coming along. Mykonos Greece. I got a mouthful of bread, sorry. Alright, our food has come. This Greek salad. And we're gonna share.
We're sharing everything.
Yeah, we're sharing everything. It was $11. Look at that slab of feta cheese on there. That was $11. That salad is well worth it.
This is a cheese too. I haven't with
yeah.
grilled vegetables.
Do you know what kind of cheese it was that you ordered? It was it was a recommendation by the waiter. And this is what I wanted: the stuffed grape leaves. Officially in Greece. Well, we're back to the port. We're gonna go get on this ship. We had a great day, really good day. Mykonos is a nice island.
Well, thanks for watching Hubbard's Journey and exploring the island of Mykonos, Greece with us. We had a great day exploring, relaxing, and eating. And of course, trying to take in and capture the beauty of this amazing place.